Hello everyone. Welcome back again. Today, we are going to see about how to design a planar capacitor using Ansys Maxwell industrial accuracy software. And the actual capacitance calculation will also provide in the video description. There must be one more thing. This result will very accurate. So, do not waste the time and let us begin. Let's enter the video. Okay. This is our task to design the planar capacitor. Okay. Let we jump into Ansys Maxwell. Let's get started. Open HFSS. Go to Panel. Click Maxwell. In that hit Maxwell 3D. Initially, start with rename the project. Create planar_capacitor. OK. Before creating single shapes in plane, change the solution setup to electrostatic. Hit Fit All. Wow! Create 2D rectangle shape. Go to Draw. Hit Rectangle Shape. Draw the shape in center of the origin. Rename the shape what you want. But for my understanding, I'm insisting. Set the dimension as per the given value and voltage. For full view of shape, hit Fit All. Next step is to create dielectric medium of capacitor. So, hit 3D square. Draw the same negative plate dimension for it. Change the substrate name to dielectric. Then hit OK. Change the color what you want. I'm apply blue color for it. This dimension same for positive plate also. So repeat the previous steps. Rename to positive plate. Check the dimension. One more. For this calculating capacitance, we want to apply the voltage for both plate. So right-click on positive plate, go to Assign Excitation, hit Voltage. Set 1 voltage for positive plate, then change the unit. Voltage. Hit OK. Do this same procedure for negative plate also. Then change the voltage to 0. Hit OK. Check whether the both plate assign voltage or not. Check the excitations. Finally, apply metric for both plates. For slub. Final move. Go to Analysis. Hit Add Solution Setup. Hit OK. Check the Maxwell 3D. Validation check. Cool. Finally, analysis all. Before analysis, save this file to C drive for better performance. It's running. Done. For finding capacitance value, go result. Hit create electrostatic report. Hit new report. Both theoretical value and computation result are same. Okay. This is for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next amazing HFSS tutorial. Till good luck, stay peace.